So since coming on board with Avrion in 2017, we have actually commissioned them to produce two bespoke integrations for us. The first one happened relatively quickly after onboarding. So around 2018, we had an integration created between our mailing partner, .mailer, and the CRM system Maximizer, and that really allowed us to move away from the manual work of updating who had opened, who had clicked through on our email marketing, and we could have that information instantly in Maximizer, which sped up decisions around how we segment our marketing, and obviously looking at how effective certain mailings were, and allowed us to react to those much quicker. The second integration, the most recent one that we have asked Avrion to complete, was around our events and how we can start to move away from user-defined fields, which we found have started to become cumbersome. And given the fact that we've been using Maximizer for nearly 20 years now, one of the issues that we had was being able to quickly and effectively look up information, especially historical information, around who has attended our events, who has registered for them, and ultimately, whether they turned up on the day or not. All of which was hugely manual, and it required a number of employees throughout the business to spend a number of days covering that information and making sure that it was put correctly into Maximizer, which, as we always experience, was fraught with human error. And so we tried to look at how we could remove the human aspect of that manual work